In this video, I'm going to show you how to export data from Quantower. Now, there's a few different things you can export, and I'm going to show you how to do this and how to find out which things you can export. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is select something you'd like to export. So for example, chart data, and you want to go to the top left over here. And as you can see, the top left of my chart window or tab, there's the three lines. If you click on them, you can see here, it's going to say export data. So if I click on this button over here, I can then select the export the file, and I can select how I want it. So you can select what you want it to be separated by. I'm gonna go by a standard CSV, but of course you can select semicolon, tab, or white space as well. And then over here you can select either current chart or any other time zone over here, and then you can select what you want to export by clicking on these check marks next to different things over here, and it's going to export those specific things when you click on export file and then save it wherever you want to save it. Okay, so that's how you actually do it. But now to find out what you can export and not, you simply have to go to the three lines next to every single tab, and if you want to export it, check if it has the export option. Okay, so export data option is available on my chart. On the market depth over here, there's no option, but if I go down here to, for example, something like positions, or maybe like even working orders or trades over here, I can easily export this data as well. I could also go and export watch lists over here, as you can see, and if I click on here where it says account info, I actually can't export this, so it means I actually can't do it because it's not over here. And some other things may also allow you to basically export them, but that's essentially how to figure it out and how to export specific data from Quantower to your computer. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.